guys, welcome to my channel Lifestyle with Sejal. It's Sejal this side. So for today's video, let me talk about toners. What are the advantages, what are the benefits, what are the usage, how do you use it, and everything that's related to toner. But before starting this video, let me give you a small disclaimer that this video or this product is not sponsored. Everything is based on my own assumption and my own experience. So now, without any further delay, let's start with the video. In India, a lot of us don't use toners at all. Or even though we use it once or twice in a week. But if you don't know, toner should be the most essential item in your skincare routine. Now, what does a toner do and what is a toner is the main question. What is a toner? A toner is a product that you use after washing your face. Now, you might be wondering, after washing your face, why do you need a toner? Sometimes your face is exposed to sun or pollution or even though makeup. So what happens, there are a lot of particles that seeps down into your skin, which causes acne, pimple, breakouts, which actually causes irritation in your skin. You see, you are going to a wedding and you see there's a huge pimple on this side or that side, or you are somewhere outside and you see you're tanned and everything. Even though after washing your face, how do you do that? So to double cleanse or to clean your skin or give your skin a refreshment, you need a toner. Now currently I'm using a toner that is Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Honey Water, if you can see it properly, and it says pore tightening toner with Himalayan water. So good, I'll say mid, teen age, like around 18 or 19, I was having a lot of whitehead, blackheads everywhere on my face, and I used to get so irritated. I used to try a lot of face wash. I used to think my face wash was having a problem, but the actual truth was the face wash was not a problem. My face was not getting cleaned properly. So how is this product gonna help you, or what are the reviews for this product? Now let me tell you. So according to this Bio Honey Water, the lighting toner is blended with pure honey, aloe vera, manjista, nut gulls, carrot, and the fresh water found in the foothills of the Himalayas. Now, if you know, honey, aloe vera is the most essential stuff that you use on your DIYs of your skincare, mask and everything, which is why this honey water becomes a very essential or very important or very nice product to your skin. It actually, cleans your skin from all makeup or any germs that's present in your skin even after your face wash. It clears your complexion completely. And then third thing that I know is it refreshes your skin. Just imagine you are tired, you come from work, you come from outside, anywhere, maybe party, maybe school events, maybe college, maybe office, anywhere you come, and you're so tired, and at night you follow your skincare, you just wash your face. Imagine you need that small refreshment part in your body. So if you use your toner, it's going to actually refresh your skin and it's going to make your skin glow from inside. So that's really going to be beneficial. Now, what does this product, why is this product that I'm going to suggest you? First of all, according to this product's claim, it says it refreshes, tones and brightens the complexion, brings skins into perfect pH balance. We have known a lot of products that are filled with parabens, chemicals and all those. So if you have something that's Ayurvedic with no parabens, no chemicals, isn't it going to be very essential, a very nice face skin? Just imagine you have a face wash or you have something that does not have any chemical. It gives the natural ingredients. In India, Ayurveda is something that's been, used since such a long time. So now let me tell you my experience with this toner. What used to happen is this area of my face or my nose and everything was filled with blackheads and whiteheads, and it used to cause irritation in my skin. Okay, I used to see YouTube videos a lot regarding all this, and then I got to know maybe, so I gave it a try. So like, why not give it a try and try it on my face? So I tried this and I was amazed. I used it for 30 days and I could actually see the difference long back. Like in within 15 days, you can see the difference. By 30 day, I could actually see that it was because of the toner. Now, how do you use it is the main question. After washing your face, you need to take a cotton pad or a cotton ball. Just pour some, drops of this toner on that cotton pad and wipe it gently, basically. And then after using this, just put on your moisturization cream and then put your sunscreen for the daytime. Now for the nighttime, what do you need to do is after washing your face, you need to use this product, that is, use a toner after your face wash. Then you use a night cream or your serums, and then you follow your skincare, whatever your skincare routine looks like, and then you can go on ahead with your night routine. Mark my words, toner is really important for your skincare. Now, how much is this retail for and everything, I'm gonna let you know, don't worry. So this retails for 175 rupees for 120 ml, and you can find it in hypermarket, Amazon, Nykaa, or any of the stores that that has mainly skincare products into it. Biotech is one of the brands which is famous for its skincare products. It has scrub, amazing scrub, tan scrub. The review about that is also going to come up soon. So please do stay tuned for it. And yes, this is the video all about. And just take a moment to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please do leave your comment down below, and I will reply to all of them. So stay tuned for the next video, and I love you guys.